Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have a 2023 Christmas Decorate With Me and a DIY Christmas decor decorating idea. Let's get right into it. The decorating in the primary bathroom. Pretty vast in the aerial spaciousness that it has. It has this big vanity area here, and I did a remake of this entire bathroom, and I will leave that link down below. With this DIY for this makeover in the bathroom for the upcoming holiday season, I'm going to do some shopping of my home. I'm going to go around and pick up all the items that I need for the DIY that I'm going to present to you. And this is a quick and easy way for you to do some type of upgrade of whatever it is that you may have around the house. If you have a vessel, like you see here, I have this topiary ball. In fact, I have 2 of them. And then with the DIY, I needed some type of branch to use, or a pole, and I had this pole from when I previously transformed one of the closets and took that pole out of there. So I'm going to use that pole. Along with that is the vase here, and as you can see, it has ample space to do exactly what I'm going to show you that's coming up. I also took a trip to the local Dollar Tree and picked up these 2 what do you call them, little spools of pine cones, and they have been painted. And here is one of the topiary balls, and again I have actually 2 of them in the space, as you see me demonstrating here. And with that, I picked up this peace sign because I wanted to add something else extra and give it a little sparkle to the DIY. I'm going to go in and cut the pole, so I'm going to do my measurement. So I'm going to take each one of the topiary balls, figure out just the distance that I wanted, how high I wanted it, and how far apart I wanted each of the balls, because it is going to be like, in essence, a topiary tree. So again, I'm using exactly what I have on hand, besides spending $3 at the Dollar Tree. Well, now it's $1.25, so yeah, $3.75 at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use my jigsaw, and I'm showing you here, which is the blades that you could buy in a package, and they come in different sizes, or rather they have different blades that you could use to cut metal and wood. And this is just a simple, quick, not even a tutorial, but I had to change out the blade. So this is what I'm doing right here, is adding the blade, and it's very, very simple. It's a electric jigsaw, and yeah, it's very easy to change it. We can do that in another video. So once I've determined exactly how far it is that I want to cut the pole, I'm going to do it right here in the space, because it's going to be a quick cut, as you can see here. Very minimal debris, as you can see here, a little dust. Got the vacuum and vacuum that right up. And then I'm going to take some foam, and I'm going to place that on the inside as well. But with the foam, I'm just going to move it around once it's in there, because I don't want to glue it, because I don't want it to pull the paint that it came in, the actual vase. I don't want to pull any of that away from the vase. I want to keep that in its original form. So I'm going to measure it out again, and then adjust the foam so that the pole fits right inside snug. Once I get that done, then I'll take each one of the topiary balls, which is something you could do as well, without cutting the balls. As you can see, it has all of these different lines, because of course it's faux, and you can fit it right in between these holes that I'm showing you, and pop that right inside. Once I get the first one inside, then I'll determine how low or how high, again, how far apart I wanted each one of the balls to sit from one another on the pole for the tree to sit on top of the vanity, again, which was in the previous clip in the primary bathroom. Once I made that determination, I'll go ahead and place it right inside, fitting nice and snug in between both or the pieces of the foam. clip of the trip to the local Dollar Tree, and you could pick up these little pine cone thingies there along with this peace sign. I didn't want the peace sign in the original form that it's actually in. I like the color because it has a background of brown, and then it has the little sprinkle of the glitter on there, which I definitely like because it has that sparkle that I would need during the holiday season, because again, it's the holidays. You want it to be preppy and fun, and you want it to have a little sparkle as well. I'm going to pull those elements away from the peace sign, and I'm going to reuse pieces of it, but not the checkered red and black little ribbon that is on there. So what I'll go in with is some scissors and cut that away. Simple little easy project that you can do. They also sell these little topiary balls, smaller of course, at your local Dollar Trees, but they are in the 3, 5, and I believe it's $7 section there. So again, I'll just use the scissors and cut away all of that excess items, debris on the little pine cone. And then I'll go in with the glue gun, and then I'm going to re-adhere that portion onto the peace sign. And once I have adhered that to the peace sign, I was trying to determine exactly where I wanted to place it. I started to do a poll on IG, but I said, nah, I needed to get the project completed and get the bathroom back in order for the upcoming holiday season. For this decorate with me. So I looked at it in different spaces along the DIY, and then I determined I would place it right under the top topiary ball and glue it right onto the pole there. Yes, I could have went in and painted the pole, but I wanted to leave it right as it was in its natural form. Then I'll go in with the small coils of the pine cones, and I really like these because they had that champagne gold along with the gold, and again it added that touch of sparkle that the primary bathroom needed, because I do have gold fixtures in there as well. But again, I don't want it to feel flat in the space, and you know Shenell, she likes her gold. Once done with that, I'll just go ahead and unravel it, and then I'm going to place it all around the topiary balls. I'm going to keep some of the wire on it because it gives it a very natural appeal, almost like a vining, you know, as it's turning in the fall season towards the winter. So I'm going to keep some of that. But with the next one that I'll add, I'll go ahead and use the scissors and cut it apart and just poke each one of the little small pine cones throughout each one of the topiary balls. Once I am done with all of that, that will pretty much complete this DIY project. Something quick and simple, and again, all used with basically things that I had around the house, the major components of this DIY. But spending $3.75 at the local Dollar Tree, I was able to achieve this look, and again using more things that I had around the house, like the napkin holder, which is in gold, I borrowed from another bathroom, along with the towels that I use each year during the holiday season as well. and placed those items in there and gave it lots of sparkle and lots of fun for the upcoming 2023 decorating season for Christmas. And I hope to see you all in the next one. And as always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Shenell, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all for the next Decorate with me for the 2023 Christmas holiday season. Bye for now.